Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be focusing on stretches to help unlock your flexibility. An advanced full body stretching guard designed to elevate your mobility, increase flexibility and challenge your limits. Let's move with purpose, control and breath. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge, hands inside the foot. Now plant your left hand and twist your torso to the right, reaching the right arm to the sky. This deep lizard pose with twist opens the hips, hamstrings and spine. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Slide your right leg forward and extend the left leg behind you. Inhale, lift your chest. For a deeper stretch, bend the back knee and reach for your foot. This is King Pigeon Pose, a powerful hip opener and quad stretch. Breathe through the intensity. Stay for 30 to 45 seconds. Come to a seated position. Bend your right knee and hook your right arm under it. Now reach your left hand over your head to grab the outer foot and extend the leg upward. This is Sundial Pose, a deep hamstring, side body and shoulder stretch. Focus on control, breathe and lift. Switch sides when ready. Stand tall. Interlace your fingers behind your back and fold forward from the hips. Let your arms fall overhead to stretch your shoulders. This pose decompresses the spine and opens the back of the legs and shoulders. Stay grounded for 30 seconds. From a kneeling position, extend your front leg straight and flex your foot into half split. If you are ready, slowly slide forward into full splits, also known as Hanumanasana. Keep the hips square. Support yourself with block if needed. Breathe and hold for up to 1 minute on each side. Lie down, draw your right knee in and guide it across the body into a twist. Now, extend the right leg fully for a deeper stretch through the lower back and its band. This reclined twist with extended leg improves spinal mobility and eases tension. Repeat on the other side. Take a nice deep breath here. As you are resting, I just wanted to share something quickly. I was looking at my channel analytics and I was amazed to see that about 73% of you watching right now aren't subscribed yet. Please take just a second to hit that subscribe button below. It's completely free and it ensures you won't lose track of your progress. Thank you so much for the support. You've just completed an advanced flexibility session. Remember, deep flexibility takes time, patience, and consistency. Repeat this routine regularly. Stay mindful in every stretch and let your body unlock its full potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others on their flexibility journey. Until next time, keep moving with intention.